Morning guys. Today we're at the Sea Life Centre.
We love a Sea Life Centre.
We are cool.
I've been here before, but I think it's changed since last time, so I have to go upstairs.
Alright, did you not have to go upstairs before?
No.
Even closer. I Natalie was talking about this. I think to snorkel with the sharks is only 70 quid. I think it's pretty good. We're just heading into the rock pool. Oh no. All the plastic in the ocean.
Oh wow.
Who's in the tank then? You see everybody?
A starfish.
Oh aye. What's this? This is something as well.
An enemy. Starfish here.
And starfish as well. On like the wee vase. I love these big things you can just look into.
Look at this adorable little crab.
Oh, he's cool. That would be similar to the crab that you would eat.
No!
You would kill it when you were a baby.
This is very
Look, did you know starfish have eyes each end of an arm? This wee guy's trying to escape. Look at a big lobster just sitting there, man.
He looks like a cool guy.
He is cool, isn't he?
I think he's king of the tank.
Definitely, man. Sun starfish, look. The king there, it's cool, isn't it?
They are really cool. They're everywhere.
This one here. And one right there, didn't even see that. Check out this fish tank with these things here that are all glowing in them.
Oh my goodness, look at these crabs just hanging out.
Oh, I didn't even see them. I was too busy looking at these things that are all glowing.
Oh wow, Lucy, you see it up there?
Look at that fish down the bottom there.
That's a flakes or a flounder.
I like them, man.
This has waves in it to create happy core muscles for happy healthy fish.
That's a good idea, isn't it? So they're creating waves in this.
Yeah, with that thing there.
Right. Oh aye, look at that guys. They've got their own wave machine in here to work out the fish.
That's fun.
That's a good idea, isn't it? I mean, I'm saying that like I know stuff.
Wow.
The bumper.
You're cute. Hello.
See Natalie? Line caught fish are the most sustainable, so we can eat fish.
No, fish are friends, not food.
Look at these two crank meals. Check this guy out here. He's just sitting chilling, looking at me next.
Hanging out.
These wee crabs are having a whale of a time, aren't
They're
they?
having a secret meeting, look, these ones think they're hiding.
Oh, they're going to fight them too, look. Right.
Little shrimp that was swimming a minute ago.
Was that what that is, a wee shrimp?
Yeah.
This wee guy here's running away from the big guy, look.
Well, I would too.
And a cool wee reef they've got going on here. These are lesser spotted dogfish. Now they're cracking, aren't they? There's a dogfish right there. I like these wee bits, man, they're cool, aren't they? I didn't know that, did you? That ray babies stay for up to 12 months. We're just up on top of this tank. You can see the stingrays, and I don't know if they are sharks or if they're just big fish. We're going to go around and show you. I think we might I think we got up here and down and round and we can see more of them. Oh, there's the rays there next, look. They're cracking.
Look at that one just up the top.
This is like the one at Bolton Towers, isn't it?
It's coming to see us.
So many of them down here. So many. Wow. They're amazing, aren't they? When you see the rays just floating there. So cool. Look at this one and that. Two of them have just come up to Natalie there. Want to be a pal?
I'm a mermaid.
What? Just heading into Stingray Adventure. This is cool. The theming in here is brilliant. How amazing is that? Even more of them.
Hello.
Just coming up to talk to us.
Hi there. Like, enjoy your visit. There's a shark coming to say hello. Oh, he's fine. Wow.
They're so cool, man. Oh look, there's three of them there.
I just love their flippy flappies. These are my favourite type of scories. They're cow noses.
Right, not this big flat one here.
I love them all, but they're my favourite.
Yeah, this wee guy's like side on, isn't he?
Like
this.
sit on.
I know. Oh, he's under with the sharks. That's cool, like bit that goes this run, you can step inside the tank almost, it's amazing. Look, they're coming back to get us.
Hello, friends. Hi.
Oh, he's a big bad boy.
Grandma Tala.
So I was just about to say, it reminds me of like Moana or something. This as well. So cool. Alright. You can go under there and pop your head up if you want. Oh, you just missed it. Babe, there's a shark coming. Look towards me, quick. Two sharks just going for Natalie there. Look at that. How does it feel?
Plastic.
Well, I know, but shark skin. Oh, it's like sandpaper.
Let's shake from that.
So it is. Look, they're having a wee fight. Aye, we'll get some big dories, aren't we?
They're actually called blue pans.
Ah, we call them dories. What's a name between pals?
These are blue tangs and the yellow ones are yellow tangs.
How cool is that? What are the blue dots on it?
Ribbon tail stingrays because of their ribbon tails.
There we go. There's Nemo.
Nemo up here.
There's Nemo up here.
Look, that's cool because these sting fish can kill them, but clownfish don't get stung by an enemy. That's why they sleep in them.
Come here. Look. The shark won't find my over there.
Oh, look what's in here, Natalie.
Oh my face.
Nemo! Nemo! Nemo!
I just had into this cool coral reef night club thing. It's like all neon. Big pufferfish. Just killing it.
I think he's cute.
He's dangerous, but him, as you know.
If you give him a fight, he'll react like me and be dramatic. I think I'd be a pufferfish.
We get the jellyfish life cycle. They're cool, aren't they? They're amazing, the jellyfish.
What's next one?
Now, one of these jellyfish, we can change the colour. Oh, that one's the best, eh? See them the best there. We're just going through the rainforest. What have we got in this one? A hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Let's see him. I think he might be in there. What does he say, Natalie?
Gum gum for dum dum. You give me gum gum.
I wonder if I could get these on the bottom of the stairs, eh? Aye, they're cool. So there's a wee bit of information about the piranha. I didn't know it means fish tooth.
They don't look scary.
No, they don't. Now we get some cracking turtles here. It's the fastest I've ever seen a turtle move, man.
There's a big one at the back.
How cool is the shark and the turtle? How does it feel?
Like you'd expect.
Like a leather book? We've already felt the shark, haven't we?
Let's touch his bum.
Don't you touch his bum.
I did it. Some sharks can glow in the dark.
What?
And you're more likely to win the lottery than be killed by a shark. So isn't that saying I didn't just make
No, I
that
know
up?
that's true. So we're just heading into the shark's viewing bit. There's a big guy just lying up there. He's huge, isn't he, man? They're cracking. We are just chilling it.
What, that looks dead, that one?
He's cool, man.
The sharks in this tank are much bigger.
But bigger than they look. These sharks are brilliant, man. So, oh, they're just swimming about. Look at that big bad boy.
I think he's a nurse shark.
Oh, what's that there then?
That's a guitar fish,
Right,
which is a type of shark, but it's called a guitar fish.
it's cool, man.
Do you remember when we went to Discovery Cove and one swam past us and you were like, that's it?
This side of that turtle.
Oh my days.
He's so big, man.
Hello, he's looking at us.
He's coming down. Look how big he is. Can't believe that. Oh, look at this. That's pretty cool, man, eh? So this is, instead of just being a wee tiny walk through, you've got a whole bit here. With all the sharks and everything. It's cool, man. And you've got another one here. Natalie, come check this guy out. He's like, maybe a, I don't know if it's a shark, it's a catfish or something.
Oh, he's a shark.
Is it a shark? A leopard shark, maybe. Guys, we're not going, that might not be true. Sometimes I just make things up.
Look at this big boy.
I know. This bit here's cool, isn't it?
I like it a lot. Bye-bye.
How amazing is this photo op, guys? That's brilliant.
Look, and the tennis got a warrior.
You actually look like one of them.